Tired of confusing your report viewers with generic page names that leave them lost in a sea of data? Let's transform the confusion into clarity by learning how to effectively name your pages in Google Looker Studio. First, open your Google Looker Studio report and locate the page you want to rename. You'll see its current name displayed as a tab at the top of the report editor. Click the drop-down arrow next to the page name. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Rename. This action activates the page name field, allowing you to edit it. Now, type in a clear and descriptive name for your page instead of something generic like Page 1. Use a name that accurately reflects the content of the page, such as Executive Summary or Sales Performance. Press Enter or click anywhere outside of the text box to save the new page name. The tab will now display the updated name. Repeat this process for each page in your report. Consistent and descriptive naming makes navigation a breeze. Think about using a naming convention to maintain consistency across your reports. And that's it. By using clear and descriptive page names, you significantly improve the user experience, making it easier for viewers to find and understand the information they need. Happy reporting!